Hey there, everybody. Just in time for cold and flu season. The FDA now saying one of the main ingredients in many of the over-the-counter medications doesn't do you any good.
We've definitely seen an increase in viral infections in the general population, without a doubt.
In those viral infections, nasal congestion, a big complaint right now. And it's supposed to be relieved by what's called oral phenylephrine in many common over-the-counter cold medications.
This was an alternative decongestant, which especially became popular when pseudoephedrine was put behind the counter.
Dr. Andrew Straw of Ohio's Cedarville University School of Pharmacy told me since then the FDA has determined not only does it not work when taken by mouth, but leaving it in many common over-the-counter medications such as NyQuil, Sudafed, and Mucinex.
It still could cause drug interactions, and it usually is not an inexpensive thing for patients.
There is a 6-month public comment period right now before it's likely to be pulled from the market. But given it's cold and flu season right now, here's what Dr. Straw suggests you choose instead, if you really do want to feel better.
But we could still use a nasal spray phenylephrine, which is much more effective. We also have oral pseudoephedrine, which is behind the counter. And then we actually have some additional options like an intranasal antihistamine, which can help with congestion.
As for why a nasal spray works when the same ingredient in a pill does not?
When we spray it into the nose, it is actually going directly to the target site and does its job by constricting those blood vessels in your nose.
When you take it by mouth, it has to be broken down by your digestive system.
Meaning that almost none of the drug will ever make it to the nasal passage.
Now, he does say that pharmacists really do want to help you be symptom specific, as they call it. So don't be afraid to ask your doctor or pharmacist for other recommendations.
Hey there, thanks so much for visiting the Local 12 YouTube channel. Click the links, hit subscribe to get notified anytime we post content to this channel.